Welcome to the world of cybersecurity, a space where every click, connection, and digital action can have far-reaching consequences. Today, the internet is the backbone of our professional and personal lives, but with this immense connectivity comes an equally massive set of risks. Cyber attacks have grown not just in number but in sophistication, and the damage they can cause, well, it's not just about the data loss anymore. It can mean financial ruin, reputation damage, or even national security threats. In this course, we'll take a journey through the essential concepts of cybersecurity and explore how a security operations center, often called a SOC, works behind the scene to defend digital frontiers. We'll also dive into how modern tools like Splunk empower security professionals to detect, respond to, and prevent threats faster than even before. So, if you're wondering what happens behind those blinking dashboards in a cybersecurity control room, or how analytics stay a step ahead of hackers, this guide is for you. Let's begin at the root. Understanding what cybersecurity is really all about. Cybersecurity is a practice of protecting systems like your computers, servers, and mobile devices from digital threats. And those threats, they're evolving every day. Think of cybersecurity as a digital version of a home security system. You lock your doors, set up alarms, and maybe even install cameras. Cybersecurity works the same way, but in a virtual world. Now, there are three key terms we need to get comfortable with: threats, vulnerabilities, and risk. A threat is anything that has the potential to cause harm. This could be malware, a hacker, or even an insider who misuses access. Vulnerability is a weakness. Think of it's an unlocked window or a forgotten password, something that a threat can exploit. And risk. That's combination of the two. When a threat finds a vulnerability, the risk is what could happen next. A data breach, stolen identity, or a system outage. Those are the risks we're trying to avoid. Some of the most common cyber threats you've probably heard of include malware like viruses and worms, phishing attacks where attackers trick people into giving up information, and ransomware which locks systems until money is paid. Cybersecurity professionals work constantly to identify these threats, fix vulnerabilities, and reduce the risk. Because in this game, staying one step ahead can make all difference.